The first thing was wow. If it's connected to husband, well, more. I'm fine. Beside me, he's fallen in love with the engine. I'm fallen in love with the music. So both of us are like fallen in love with each other, but connected to the car.
Hey, by the way, who decides the shots here?
Actually, it was my decision.
Hi, I'm V. Ramaswamy.
Hi, I'm Rajeshwari.
Basically, I was looking for a change of car after nearly about 6 own cars. Looking around for a car in which we could be very comfortable. So our first choice was on an SUV, but then having seen a lot of SUVs around, especially the stylish Creta and other models of other companies also, we thought why not we try an SUV, especially from Hyundai. I was actually using a friend's car which was an i10, Hyundai i10, and I had to return it back somewhere in October. So I thought let me do a service for the car, and I gave it to FPL Hyundai, which is very near to my place. The service was excellent in the sense that I just contacted them, and there was a guy by name Gautam, and he called me back within 10 minutes and saying, sir, where is your house? We would like to come and collect your car. I mean, the response was so stupendous, and they came, they collected the car, and then the service manager by name Noor Mohammed called me and said, sir, what exactly you want me to do? I just said simple service, because that was the first kind of thing which I was going into Hyundai, and I really didn't know because I was used to more of Suzuki's and Honda Cities. So the service was excellent, prompt delivery, and on the dot, he said at 4:30 your car will be delivered. At 4:30 the car was delivered, and the pricing of the service was also very, very low, which I was quite impressed. And then I personally contacted him and told him, listen, I'm planning to buy a car. Why don't you suggest somebody from your sales to contact me, or give somebody's name so that I can contact them. He actually forwarded one of the sales person's name, who was Supriya. So when she came, she understood my profile, she understood what is my professional outlook and all this. She said, sir, the best car I would suggest for you is a Creta. I said, I had a lot of questions to her. I asked her, do you have automatic and what is the service? She was able to give a lot of right answers at the right time. I mean, that really, excited me. Creta was the kind of car which I need to really get into. And so I told her, ma'am, just give me some time. I need to think about it and come back to you. But I would request you, let the call come from me. I mean, that was a kind of the message I gave to her. And you won't believe me, this is the first time from any dealership for the matter, or any other people who try to sell their material, she never contacted me. I mean, that shows the amount of confidence on their part. Secondly, the appreciation of privacy of the customer, which is very important these days.
Actually, it was my decision. When he said, no, we need to shift, I need to change the car. I said, yeah, we need. You buy, if you're planning to change to SUV, you buy Creta, otherwise go for Honda. That's it. That's my decision. So that was my final decision. And then again he said, no, we'll go for Venue, we'll go for that car. He said, no. I said, Creta means Creta. That's it. It's, I would say it's CCV. That is, it's classic, comfort and value for money. So I would give it the CCV. The second thing is, when you just go on for a long drive, oh, it's awesome. Like, you feel as if you're flying in an aeroplane, It's really comfort. Very comfortable it is. And somehow I liked it. I like the design. It's very sleek and it's connected car. If it's connected to husband, well, more. I'm fine.
One thing which I liked with the Creta was the elevated view of the road, and the kind of comfort that was also bringing. Secondly, I could actually have a conversation with the engine, especially when it was eating the miles on the highway. I could actually have a conversation with the engine, especially when you go on higher speeds. I felt that I was becoming more and more comfortable.
And I would rather say, though I'm sitting beside him, he's fallen in love with his engine and Creta.
I thought that I had made the right decision of getting into an SUV, and in the SUV, getting into the new Creta 2020.
When I go for a long drive, I would love to listen to music, We are just going and I'm just listening to the music. So That's really good, and I really enjoyed it. I said no, even though he's beside me, he's fallen in love with the engine. I'm fallen in love with the music. So both of us are like fallen in love with each other, but connected to the car.
I'm a great admirer of connected car because I design a lot in telematics and GPS kind of thing. So this was something which was really exciting for me, and this was something where I could actually interact with the car. I mean, that is something which I was looking for. My experience with the car, especially on the technology part, on the connected car part, was extremely great. Subsequently, when I bought the car and when it was approaching 1500 kilometers first service, I was contacted by FPL Hyundai, and it was so kind of them. I told them I'll come back to you in another 3 days. They sent a message after 3 days. See, one thing which I like with this particular dealership was what? They don't want to really, keep on nagging the customer, which normally others get into. I was clearly explained what is it that's going to be done on the first service. What are the things we are going to look for? And he said, sir, since I know that you are from the tire industry and the automobile distribution industry, you will be looking for things which is going to excite you. And he said certain things which I actually felt that was not something which was told to me during my earlier car service. I mean, that was something which really thought that, hey, these guys are doing the real job. He said, sir, by about 3:30 or 4, you will be getting a call from us and the car will be ready. Exactly at 3:32, there was a call and said, sir, your car is ready and the driver is also there, he'll come and drop the car. Even the driver, I mean, that's something which really I liked about FPL Hyundai. They have taken care of their staff so well, and everybody has been given proper training.
Okay, even I've tried the sunroof and the moonlight. That also I've tried. Oh, it's awesome, when you just open it and you just stand and you go, it's really awesome. And leg space is, oh my God, it's like you don't have any leg pain or anything, and even for old people, it's like quite comfortable and all. Though we are romantic couple, but still, we are more connected to the car. So I should give a brownie points to Creta and FPL for great sales and service. I would say, Creta is Hyundai's pride.
Owner's delight.
Owner's delight.